Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a simple tablescape for inspiration for Mother's Day. And I'm going to give you a moment to just take a look around the table, and then I will talk about some of the pieces in more detail. Alright you guys, if you are new to the channel, I want to go ahead and invite you to click that subscribe button down below. And you guys make sure that your post notification bell is turned on. Now, I want to share with you a little bit more detail about this lovely tablescape that I like to think is informal, although it kind of looks formal. And I'm saying it's informal because when we have Mother's Day brunch, it won't be a formal event, but we just want it to feel very special. So I thought it would be nice to set the table up really pretty. So first thing that we have are some lovely angels as you see them in the background. I added in some gold coloring. You can see it on the goblets as well as with the silverware or the utensils. First, let's talk about this bling here. Napkin ring is from totallydazzled.com, you guys. If you're interested in purchasing any embellishments, totallydazzled.com. These little saucers here, the teacup and the saucer, was thrifted. And can you believe that I got this whole set for under $10? Isn't it gorgeous? And here are the angels that I was referring to earlier, and a little butterfly napkin ring that I DIY'd a couple of years back. I just have it sitting there for decoration reasons. And another look at that napkin ring, you guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. So you can see that I played with the colors, the silvers and the golds and the whites. This here centerpiece is a DIY that I lost the footage of the making of it, so unfortunately I was not able to share it with you guys, the making of it, but this is what it turned out to look like. And as you can see, I took 4 of those mirror panels that I got from the Dollar Tree and basically built a box, glued the sides together, and embellished it with gems and ribbon wrap, diamond ribbon wrap. So I also took and filled the center of it with some flowers from Michael's Craft Store and some Dollar Tree flowers as well to achieve this look. And I have it sitting on my beautiful glam mirrored tray that I purchased from Ross store. I absolutely love this tray. I gave one away in a giveaway and I have 2 remaining. Absolutely love them. And my tall goblets, you guys, kind of like goblets, are from the Goodwill as well. It was a trio, but I only have 2 on the table. I ran up on them one day and got a great deal for them. So, the water goblets are sitting on some mirror DIY coasters that I did. There's some glitter coasters that I just took some of those Dollar Tree mirrors and trimmed the edges out in glitter. And I use them as coasters when I want to add a little extra bling to my tables. And my little white angels are from the Dollar Tree. The gold ones are from Goodwill, and they were 99 cents each. So yeah, so this is a very simple and inexpensive Mother's Day tablescape.